Hey everybody, this is not a regular episode. Hey everybody, this is not a regular episode. This is just a little announcement,
Yep,
right?
just a quick reminder that we only have 2 more days left of our t-shirt sales. Sunday, December 6th. It
Last
closes. Yep, we did it early and quick just because we wanted, if anyone was ordering them for Christmas. I know I got another long sleeve shirt because we got a sweatshirt, we got t-shirts, we got the long sleeve, and this one is my personal favorite. I wear it all the time.
I maybe got a little sweater that I didn't tell you
Sweatshirt.
about.
We weren't selling sweaters.
Sweaters? What's this the same? Sweatshirt,
No, it's
sweater,
not the
potato,
same.
potatoes.
Sweatshirt. Anyway, so 2 more days. Make sure if you wanted one, you get to it. How can they get to it?
Just go to rveastcoast.com and there's gonna be a link right there in the landing page waiting for you.
All right, thanks, guys.
What is the difference between sweater and sweatshirt? I thought that was the same.
No, a sweater is like more formal, and it's like usually knit, and it's not a sweatshirt, which is more casual.
English.
Teaching English.
Whatever.
And no one makes me feel like you do when